Once a lag was passing through a jungle on a bullock cart. Two blacks were pulling the cat. Suddenly, one of the bullock fell into a dock. The villagers led to the block. So he left him there and went away. Aber by heard the bullock fight himself. He drank up the hour and agreed. Soon became healthy and started bellowing like a lion. When King Lim came to the river, he had the thunder bellowing and was frightened. The jack, who was the lion's minister, covered that it was bullock bellowing loudly, and while the lion about this, the libelended the bullock. Soon he stopped killing other animals. The scal cung, he Consort the thought Majesty, the plan was to kill you. Then he went and saw the bullock king long to eat you. The bullock hallowed heroically outside its den. Fig lie thought the bullock had come to kill. He pounced upon the bullock. Our fight, the Lu killed the bullock.